konting chance lang bibigyan natin. So, usually, the look is so if in the end, it can feel you will confuse platelet. Other naman po mga acute na mga side effects, yung DDY, nausea, vomiting. Usually din ako lagi nakikita yan. So, if you really be patient before giving the treatment, para po kuminimize and hindi po masama yung patient at agduduwas. Usually din yung pinakakita nila. Yung nagsipukas sila after. So, give treatment na po to prevent that. So, less commonly seen na po yan. Other treatment, nakaka-cause na parang ng food sa kalat-kalat. Will not be refunding. We do treatment for that also. And one is important to determine if yung pasyente mo in the fertility stage ako, meaning have bearing pa, pwede pa na because some of our treatment can affect fertility. Kung meron ka, mahirap na to get pregnant or paano in the future, it will give some type of treatment.
Okay. So, medyo nakakatakot ito ng side effects, pero importante, gagaling ka lang. Diba?
Yeah.
Gagaling ka lang. And community, naramdaman namin yan. Lalo na, siyempre, buhok namin, kung bagong tuloy na yan. And yung mga pamamaliit, parang hanggang ngayon po, yung mga pamamaliit pa din, kami nararamdaman. So, ganda yung yan, go ahead.
First ba yun yung longer effect mo? Yes. Sometimes it goes away, but other times it can nawawala. Especially if you have other problems also, like you already have neuropathic hypertension, or those who have diabetes po. Kasama na po kasi siya sa diabetes plus nag-identify po yung side effect ng treatment.
So, Doc, ito huling question na ng ating mga kakabay. Ano daw po ba yung mga lifestyle changes or supportive services na po pwede makatulong po sa kanila? Saka para po mas mag-healthy, siyempre, yun ang ginagawa.
Yes po po. For our patients already received our treatment, importante po na ginagawa tayo regular physical activity as tolerated ng body. So, kakatapos yung treatment, ibang pasyente nagzumba na. Sometimes, we do check if they are fit with the zumba or medyo salva muna, walking muna. But it is important to be still stay active as tolerated. Proper nutrition. So, a very important kasi even in the treatment phase, no, it's so kasi na your age that treatment when you have chemotherapy. Di ba po kasi na-explain, pero hindi ko po naranasan. But pag tinatanong ko po yung mga pasyente, ano naman nangyayari sa face body? But ano po ba nangyayari? Ba't ayaw niyo po sabi niya, the chocolate does not taste like a chocolate anymore. So may changes talaga, no?